So this is the filter candle. This is our sponge. So we are going to wash it. You add detergent to it and start washing.
So you're cleaning it with the clean. What are you going to do? Okay, I'm going to put the thing back with all that.
So after which you have washed it, you can see that it's looking clean now. So it's time to fix it back. But what do we do first? We wash the cup as well. We wash the cup as well. Ensure you wash the cup properly. It's for a better and clean water way of entering your house. Excess of spirogyra into your pipe can cause blockage, which may affect the inflow of water into your rooms. So ensure you do this frequently. So okay, so this is it. So let's fix it back. Yeah, pause it. I use that. So now we are fixing it back. Gently ensure that the cup is set straight to where it's fixed in order not to wash the thread. Straighten your hand and tighten it back gently. Now this is the key for proper tightening. Yeah, it's all right. Now we can on back the water. So that is it on how to fix your water filter in the house.